In the holy city of Al-Quds, peace shone like sunlight on stone walls. This is Noor, a little girl with a heart full of light. Every morning, she whispered, Alhamdulillah for another day of peace. Life was calm, streets smiled, the azan filled the sky. But one morning, the sky turned grey. Sirens replaced the azan. Fear filled the streets. Noor held her brother Yusuf close. Don't be scared. Allah is with us. Her mother said softly, Dua is our shield, my child. While others hid, Noor stepped into the night. She brought water to the thirsty and food to the hungry. Her mother watched with tears, pride and fear together. Noor looked at Masjid al-Aqsa and said, Allah, make me brave like Hamza radiallahu anhu. The park was gone. The flowers were dead. Yusuf cried, our garden is gone. Noor smiled. Gardens never die when faith is alive. She planted seeds saying, Bismillah. That night the stars watched over Al-Quds. Noor prayed, Ya Allah, make me strong like Maryam alayhi salam. Her mother whispered, when hearts pray, angels listen. The stars seemed like angels shining above her prayer. Days passed. Noor kept helping everyone. She taught her brother Surat al-Ikhlas every morning. People began calling her the little star of Al-Quds. When Noor walked, hope was reborn. One morning, the siren stopped. The sky was blue again. The seeds Noor planted began to grow. The masjid shined once more. Allah had answered their dua. Noor whispered, Hasbunallah wa ni'mal wakil. Noor became a light for everyone, a star of faith and courage. Faith is the light that never fades.